Hi everyone, Paul Dumont here from Lubrigard. I'm in the plant today going to show the Gold Series filter cart that's being employed on a large reservoir tank here at my origin. It's a paper mill. This tank is feeding a multitude of bearings up on the top floor, but they were having a lot of issues with the oil condition. So what we did is we took the opportunity to come in and assess the systems. And what we found was the systems did not have proper air protection. This cap lid here was not sealed and it was on a hinge, but of course all of the dirt and everything that's around was getting pulled into the tank through the unsealed lid inspection hatch. So with a little bit of customization, we were able to put a sealed adapter kit in here with some extension tubes going down, one for oil analysis, the other one for oil pop-up, and we added a desiccant breather for moisture and low particulate filtration that's built into the desiccant breather. That helps protect the system's airflow, whether it's air coming out or dirty air going in, takes moisture and particulate out. So once we assessed that, we had to assess how we were going to hook a filter cart to it. So we had some opportunities down in the bottom of the tank on each end. This one here is allowing us to get oil from the tank with the aid of the pump from the filter machine. Takes the oil through, passes it through the gold depth filter media filters. These filters are able to do three things for us. One is it removes particulate down to about less than 3 microns, so keeping your oil nice and clean. Also removes moisture and water, so they'll hold quite a bit of water in each element. That's another secondary benefit for contamination control. And the third thing that it does is it helps remove varnish from the oil itself. So in this particular instance, these were the three culprits of contamination that was harming this lube system. But it's very simple cart. We've got the two filtration systems, the motor, the pump system, flow meter is in there. We have the oil coming through the strainer into the pump and then returns back to the return line. Here with me is Mark from my origin, our maintenance manager here. What prompted you to move in a direction of contamination control on this large reservoir?
We had oil samples taken and we found that we had high particulate, dirty oil, a lot of water, and super high varnish. We had the extra testing done to get the varnish test. We reviewed it with your company and staff, and this is what you recommended. So
this is excellent.
The last sample test came in really good shape there. So our numbers for the water, the dirt, and the varnish is all back into normal.
We're all back to a normal condition.
Yeah. One thing we noticed right away was that our vibration sensors that we have on the piece of equipment, everything across the board dropped because of cleaner oil, varnish removal, and the temperatures of the bearings were running cooler. So all of y'all, even though we got the oil in good health, the machine's actually running better.
The machine's running better.
The amount of oil that's in this tank, liter-wise, costs us roughly $16,000 of oil. The cart is less than that. So basically, with this cart, filtering the oil, getting the oil back in check, it paid for itself in one oil tank.
In one session.
Sometimes, it's hard to get a cart ordered because of the cost, but because of the payback,
The payback was so fast.
So fast, and one use was paid back.
Thank you very much.